So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about a command called date. So what's the date? The use of date command is it should print the current system date. So if I am running a date command, I am getting the current date set on this server. Okay, so according to this server, we are having Thursday, November 10, 1924, UTC 2022. Okay, so this is the current date set on the system. And if I want to print it in a different manner, what we can do, date and plus %y. Okay, so we'll get year for month small m, for d date. Okay, capital H for hours, capital M for minutes, and capital S for seconds. So that's all. See, oh sorry. Okay, so it was showing 1924 54, and after 4 seconds we have executed is 58. So why I was showing you, because whenever we take a backup, we used to run date command. Why we are running? Let's see. So if I want to do echo print date, okay, plus %y, percent, sorry, it's capital Y, percent small d, date and month. So it is showing, okay, it's small m for month because 25 is the minutes it's showing. So this how you can change the syntax. Furthermore, you want percent %h, percent %m. So r and minute also you'll get. If you want to make some like hyphen here, it will print 19. Okay. So it got in numeric code, but if we are running simple date command, it will get Thursday, November 10 and this thing. But here we are getting 2022 10th date and month 11. R is 19 and minutes is 26. So accordingly you want to print, you can print it. Like if I want month should be print here and date should be print here. Okay, it got changed. So to change the current syntax of this, you can use it. Furthermore, we will discuss. So why date command is useful. First, we'll run the date. We'll come to know what the date set on the system. It is correct or not. So if you want to change the date, set equal to, okay, what we have to do, let's Friday, November 11, 12, 00, 00, UTC 2022. Okay, got change. So date 11, but it is not the permanent. If I log out and log in again to this shell, it came back because that's the temporary date we have set it. Okay, for permanent we are having NTP. We'll discuss this thing later, but let's see why we are discussing this. Let me clear my screen. So in this we are having two files, M and TE. So let me, okay, get M, okay, VITE, let's edit something. Hi, this is T, first copy. Okay, so we have saved T also. Now take these two files as a critical file and you want to make some changes. So in the real world, like a corporate world, we'll not make changes like this. First we'll take a copy of that. So we'll take copy M and copy of M dollar date. I will print plus percentage Y, percent M, percent D. Okay, then hyphen percent h or percent minute. Okay, we'll run this command. Okay, what has happened on this server? Okay, the copy of m is generated here. Okay, we have done one mistake. It should be capital H for hours. H. Okay, so we'll get one more copy. Correct is this one. So we are able to see we are having a copy of this M on 2022 11th month date 10th 1929 hours. Okay, so now we'll make the changes to M. Let VM, this is M, second copy. So I have made some changes. Now after a couple of days or after some time, some other person or I have logged itself, because in corporate environment we are managing n number of server, so it's hard to remember on which server what changes we are doing. So what I will do, I will do diff, which I have already shown you, m and m20 1929. What's the difference? Okay, new line got added, second copy. So earlier this file was not having this second copy line. Now we have edited this. So whenever we make a change to any file, before making a change, we'll take a copy with the date stamp, or you can do like cp m, copy of m, manual thing 20, 22, 11, 10, then current time like 1930 or 34 or 36. Okay, let's assume 36. We can do also like this, but like if you are running a script or if you have to done this command on multiple server, we'll use this command like this. We'll show one more example, like we are having te file get te, it is the first copy like we have mentioned. So we'll take a backup of this cp te, source is te, destination dollar date, okay, plus year and month and date, then hyphen r colon oh, percent r colon percent minute. Yes, so we got copy of te, where is that? Okay, it got 2022 11 month November 10th 1932. Now we'll make some changes to te. On first copy we'll say second. Okay, now we'll see difference between te and te 1932. See, it's showing current TE is having second copy, but before this what we are having backup is having first copy. So this how we used to take a backup in a corporate environment or in an office. Before making a change, we'll take a backup of that file with the date and timestamp. So why we are doing the date and timestamp? Like I have logged in on this server after 10 days, or let's assume after a year, because that was we are facing before a year what changes someone has made on this. So we'll come to know, okay, before 1 year someone had changed first copy to second copy and the backup is still available. Okay, so this how we are using a date command. There are multiple things like you can print in multiple manner, but two things: date, current system time, and backup with the date. So that's all for today. I think this will help you in your day-to-day routine task. If you are having any question, put in a comment box. I will try to answer. Options available for date command. You can do man and date. So you'll get all the details like what are the other options. So that's all for today. Learn it. See you in the next video.